Alright, so in this video, we'll be checking out the best bank in Nigeria that give instant loan. I understand the fact that people have been getting away from the fact that people don't want to borrow money from banks due to one or two reasons. And one of the reasons that I also think about banks is the fact that the loan interest rate might actually be higher, and another benefit is that they will give you long time loan, which of course you can use to pay back the loan. And another disadvantage where people don't want to get a loan from the bank is just maybe requesting for many requirements before you can be able to get a loan from bank. And also you have to, and most likely you have to visit the bank before you can be able to request for a loan. But then I also understand that a lot of people out there who will also like to borrow money from banks in Nigeria, so which is the reason why I have to make this video. So mainly for those people and any other people that actually want to take a loan from banks. So I'm currently on the GT Bank official website and the loan process page, which of course I'll also provide the direct link to this particular page in the description of this video. So if you actually want to proceed on to get a loan from GT Bank, you can definitely use that link. And another most important notice, which is actually very important, is to please be mindful of fake website that run fraudulent party posting as GT Bank Limited or affiliate. Do not disclose your personal information and financial details to anyone online or anywhere else. This is actually very important. So there are a lot of people out there claiming they are this, they are that, and they are all after to spy on your personal information and to weigh out the little money you might have in your account. So, and also if you don't even have money in your account, it's so easy for them to use your account to borrow money, and then you'll be the one to pay back. You don't even have any be aware about that, so you have to be very careful out there. So like I said earlier, this is our official GT Bank website, which is gtbank.com. So this is the official website. So I make sure I confirm all the link before I share you any link on this video or on this channel entirely. So get more out of your account with quick credit. As a salary earner, you can now get the cash you need instantly and pay back in up to 12 months. Quick credit give you fund up to 5 million naira at an interest rate of 2.0% monthly, no hidden charges. Wow, I think that's actually great. Like 2.0 interest rate, and if you have to borrow for up to 12 months, that will be 14%. I guess that's not actually bad if you are very much interested in doing business. So I think this is actually great. And for those salary earner as well, you can request for a loan, and as long as you have where you are working and you believe the money will keep on dropping, so you can also use this method. And this is for business purpose, and this particular page is for personal users, which of course you can have access to borrow up to 5 million naira as personal. And if you are borrowing money for business purpose, you can have option to borrow more than 5 million naira. And what's in for you, these are the things you get and the requirement as well. Get up to 3 times your monthly salary, convenient repayment plan up to 12 months, pre-liquidation is allowed without penalties, interest rates of 2.0 per month. That's actually great. So this is how to apply. You can request for quick credit instantly by dialing star 737 star 51 star 51 hash. So that is for USSD code, and you can also make use of this using quick credit. It's also available on all GT Bank online and mobile banking platform, internet banking, GT World, and GT Bank mobile app. So It's actually also very easy for you to get started with the GT Bank mobile app. So I think that's more easier for everyone to be able to apply. So these are the frequently asked questions, which of course you might also want to get into, and also the terms and conditions, which is also very important. The borrower, the referrer to the applicant, lender, facility type, loan purpose, what you actually need the loan for, interest rate, tenor, loan tenor. So payment, how you want to pay back the money you borrowed, the credit insurance, and then the security and comfort. So all these are very important. And you can also read through the general and eligibility terms, which is also very important. So this is basically for GT Bank. So the next one we'll be checking out in this video is Keystone Bank. Keystone also offer a loan for business owner and salary earners, which of course you can definitely request for a loan. It doesn't actually matter if you bank with Keystone, if you bank with GT Bank, anyone can actually request for a loan from their platform. So, but all you just have to do is just to sign up or visit the nearest bank, then you can request for a loan. We offer a variety of lending options for personal loans to credit card services with a gamut of features made possible by modern technology. So you can request for auto loan, personal loan. So this is if you actually want to buy something, then you need a loan for yourself. So this is a long-term loan for individuals who decide to acquire automobile brand new vehicles only of their choice for personal use. Well, that's actually great. And then for features, you can access up to 15 million payback within 3 years, which is 48 months. Wow, that's amazing. And minimum equity contribution of 20%. Then that means you have to bring 20% of the money. Then competitive interest rate, then credit life insurance, which is also very important. The requirement, duly fill and the completed application form, domiciliation of salary and allowance. These are the things they need from you. Then for personal loan, you can get a loan of up to 10 million naira, pay back within a period of 36 months, competitive interest rate, credit life insurance required, and then the requirement section. I think this is also the same as the auto loan. So you can also get a loan from Keystone. Then that is another section for asset financing facility, device financing facility. So this facility offers salary earners the opportunity to own a brand new phone and other device from Nine Mobile. Wow, Keystone actually partner with Nine Mobile here. To get started, please visit Nine Mobile designated outlet or click here to get your consumer invoice. This is actually very nice. Access up to 500,000 naira, pay back within 12 months, bring 20% of the money, the requirement, which is nice as well. So these are the 4 options for loan on Keystone Bank. You can also visit the Keystone nearest bank and request for this. And if you want to buy a device or phone, you can go to any Nine Mobile office and request for a loan within the platform. So the next one in this video is Polaris Bank, which also offer a loan for individual and business owners. So you can also decide on the kind of loan you are very interested in. Then you can read through the benefit features if you are eligible and how to apply for a loan. So, and you can also visit their nearest like I said earlier, visit any Polaris Bank branch closer to you to complete the loan application form. Submit daily completed loan form with all relevant loan documents. Loan is processed and disbursed within 48 hours. So if you have been aware about loan apps, I'm very sure you have an idea that they disburse loan faster than this 48 hours. So that's which is more reason why people prefer to borrow or take a loan from loan app. So to know if you are eligible for this, you must be a confirmed staff of a reputable organization in the private or public sector, domiciliation of salary with Polaris Bank. That means you have to partner with Polaris Bank before you can be able to borrow loan, or you have to create an account with them, and then after probably like 3 months or 2 or 5 months, then you can use the bank to borrow to take a loan. So you can also read on the features. You can access up to 70 million and all the other requirements which are also very important. So you can also check on Polaris or visit the nearest Polaris Bank, and then you can request for a loan. The next one on the list is FCMB Bank, which is also the fast cash, which of course they promise to give out a loan of up to 200,000 naira, no collateral needed, no paperwork required. This is most likely like a loan app. So FCMB Fast Cash is a convenient paperless credit facility with no collateral required for your emergency and urgent need. It is an instant loan, and you can apply via the mobile app or using the USSD code, which is quite more easier for everyone, I guess. So FCMB customer instant access to fund up to 200,000 naira, no paperwork, no collateral needed, 30 days tenure for new customers, up to 90 days clean up cycle for returning customer. Customer can apply as many times in a year as he or she is qualified. Well, that's pretty amazing from FCMB Bank. So this is just an alternative to any loan apps, which of course you can also use to borrow money in Nigerian, as long as you're a salary earner and you have a way of receiving salary on a monthly basis. Another platform is Stanbic IBTC Bank. Wow, this is also great. So Stanbic also offer a loan to their customer, and I guess this is basically for Stanbic customer only. So you can request by putting your account number here, your phone number here, and click on the get started. Then you'll be able to proceed on to borrow money from Stanbic IBTC Bank. And if you are in need of a quick cash, this product was made with you in mind. ES Cash give you fund ranging from 20,000 naira to 4 million naira at an interest rate of 3.0% monthly to pay back within 12 months. I think that 3% is actually more higher than what GT Bank actually charges. So it all depends on which one works best for you and which bank you would like to go with to borrow your next loan. So you can also calculate the loan amount here, fast loan, receive the loan you make request for in a minute, auto repayment if you actually want Stanbic Bank to be removing the money in your bank account every month, or how you receive money in your bank account. So it's very easy for you and for the bank as well. So these are the 5 banks in Nigeria which of course you can actually use to borrow loan in Nigeria without any stress. So if loan apps have denied you, you can definitely fall back to any of these banks in Nigeria and use them to request for you. So if you have any other question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'll be very much happy to reply to your request as fast as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you